video, I am going to show you how to lift up an object in TinkerCad. So I create a new design as usual, or I go on another one that like you've already done. So you've got a box. I always pull out a box, I don't know why. And then, so you see this little, this like kind of like cylinder thing, triangle. That is how you lift it. It's not one of these black ones. The black ones, if you try to pull it up, it will make it wider. So, but if you go off it, you can't see it. But so you have to press on it. And to press on it, you see this little red thing there. Wait, I'll just change the colour so you can hopefully see a bit better. So see that red thing? If that is like shining red, you use your mouse and pull it up. Don't like pull your mouse off the table or anything. It won't work if you do that. Just click on it and lift it. But if you've lifted it really high and you don't know where the ground is, so you lift it really high and you don't know what bit to do, you go front sometimes, and then it's right there. So you lift it, and can you see this like blue line? That's where the ground is. So you need to get it onto there, and it will hopefully say 1 or 0.00. You don't want it -1 because it will go off the ground. See, it's gone off the ground. You want it like 1. There, 1. So, if you wanted to move it, say, with this dinosaur thing, if you wanted to lift it with this, it would just be the same. So you just lift that up. But if you want to measure it, it's locked and you can't like unlock it. It will say scaling locked. So that means you can't like make it go higher and lower, and you can only drag it up and down, and you can only turn it as well. But some things, like this box, aren't scaled, so like, but if you have it like this and you accidentally pressed a button and you forgot what button to press, you just press that lock editing, Control L, if you want to unlock it or lock it. But if you lock it, you can't pull it up, see, it just won't work. But if you unlock it, see there's an unlock sign, it's unlocked, you can. Oh, I just wanted to show you this. You can rotate stuff from here, so it turns it like this. I didn't show that in my rotating video. And it will tell you how high it is, how high up. But if you're going to 3D print, don't make it go like that high, because it won't print. It won't print. You have to do it exactly on the ground. So if you don't know how to put it back and it just won't work and you can't figure it out, you just have to delete the block, or try to find the point 1. See, I can find 1 or 0. 0 is probably the best. It's like touching the ground. No, 1 is actually. Yeah, 1's touching the ground. 0 is going like 1 centimetre a bit lower. So you might just have to delete the box. But if it's not shining red like here, you can only move it like this. And if it's not shining and you try to pull it up, it won't work. So you have to get it right on the red bit that you can see here. But if you're like holding the wrong bit, remember it's not one of these. These just make it wider, like the width. So that was my video, very short. Like and subscribe to Vigo's videos. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.